So this is our place, early on a Sunday morning. This is the car, parked outside. Garage over there, still needs a bit of work. Full of gear, destined for the dump. View up the street. Yeah, the local cockerel trying to wake us all up and succeeding. Around to the back, see the backdrop of the forest. There's the front door. The sea's down that way. I'll show you that later.